Healthful Detox Guide, Sample Detox Diet. Treat your body and system. After years of accumulating toxins in virtually every cell of your body, you must be feeling lucky not to feel anything, yet. But eventually our system will crumble under the catastrophic storage of harmful toxins we've been unconsciously ingesting. Hence, health professionals stress the importance of going on a detoxification diet. Well, never go on a detox diet without getting a go signal from your physician. Not everybody can withstand detox programs, more so the extreme types of detoxification like 21-day detox programs or detox juice fasting, in which you try to survive an all-liquid diet for several days. Prior to proceeding to a detox program, it helps to prepare what type of foods you should eat for the entire duration. Somewhat like coming up with a sample detox diet plan to guide you from falling victim to junk foods again. This, aside from consuming the usual detox diet consisting of fresh fruits and vegetables. Sample Detox Diet. In a sample detox diet, jumpstart each day by drinking warm lemon juice. 1/2 lemon squeezed in warm distilled water will do the trick. 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast, eat any fresh fruit. This helps stimulate your digestive system. Additional tip is to wash your fruits and vegetables with distilled water. Choose whole grains alternatives like brown rice, buckwheat, amaranth, millet, etc., instead of cereals for your meals. Eat fresh fruits like watermelon, apple, and banana for midday snacks. And chew the food well to satisfy your hunger and stop feeling deprived. In addition, make it a habit to drink at least 8 glasses of water and fresh fruit or vegetable juices. For a sample detox diet, here are a few delicious recipes you can prepare yourself. The roasted cauliflower recipe is not only delectable, it's rich in vitamin C and folate that's excellent for the immune system and makes for a satisfying snack. To make a roasted cauliflower recipe, prepare 2 bunches of cauliflower and cut them into florets, a 1/4 cup extra virgin oil, choose from olive or coconut, and a dash of sea salt to taste. To roast the cauliflower, preheat the oven to 400 degrees, use a large bowl to cook the ingredients in. Then place it on the oven's roasting pan and cook for 30 minutes. You can also experiment on your own sample detox diet recipes, which is a combination of vegetables to have varied tastes and textures. At the same time, you're giving your body a boost of required daily amounts of valuable nutrients.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.